Hi guys, so we are ready for lesson 10-4 in Envision, and we're going to be adding tens and ones using an open number line. And we talked about that vocabulary word of an open number line. Open number line means that it's open. It can start at any number you want it to start at, and it can end at any number you want it to start at. That way you don't have to make, like, for example, this is starting at 43. I didn't have to make all the numbers up to 43. I can start at 43, so I don't have to do all that extra work since I already know where I want it to start, okay? So we're going to do our solve and share together, and then we're going to watch a little video, okay? So it says use the number line to solve 43. And look, they started at 43. So I want to add 6 to 43. So I know I need to add at least 6 spots to 43, right? And since I'm adding, I'm going to the right because I want the numbers to get bigger. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what comes after 43? 44, very good. Then 45, then 46, good job. Then 47, then 48, and 49. So I think 43 plus 6 is 49, but I'm going to check that. So I'm going to go to 43 and I'm going to hop 6 times. Ready? Remember, I hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what number did I land at? 49. Very good. 49, which is a 4 in the tens column and a 9 in the ones column. All right, we're going to watch just a quick little video that's going to help show us that a little bit more. All right, here we go.
Use an open number line to find 25 plus 4. You can count on by ones. Why is 25 the first number shown on the number line?
Why do you think they chose 25? Because it's the largest number and we need to add 4 to it. That's right.
25 is the two-digit number that you are adding. What does the first hop from 25 to 26 show? It shows that you counted on one more from 25. How do you know that 29 is the sum? 29 is the sum because you made 4 hops to count on by ones from 25 to 29. You added 4 to 25. Use an open number line to find 25 plus 30.
Ooh, 25 plus 30. Let's think about this. It only gave me 3 spots. So watch what can happen. If I drag it to the next one, oh, I dragged too much. I can hop by tens and say 25, 35, 10. Then I can drag it to 45, 10. And then I can drag it another 10 to 55. All right, good job, guys.
You can count on by tens. What is the missing number on the number line?
Select
Let's look
your
at the
answer.
pattern. 25, 35, 45. The next one would be 55. It'd be 5 tens and 5 ones.
25 plus 30 equals 55. How do you know that 55 is the sum?
Now remember, because I went by tens, I said 10, 20, 30 to get to that 55.
55 is the sum because you made 3 hops to count on by tens from 25 to 55. You added 3 tens, or 30, to 25. Now you know how to use an open number line to solve addition problems.
I like using open number line.
All right, so we're going to practice that a little bit because this is something that's kind of new, okay? So on the first one, they say guided practice. They kind of showed us. They said they started, because they had 37 plus 30, so they started at 37, and then they chose to hop by tens. So if I add 10 to 37, put the 10 on the top, then I have 47, very good. If I add tens to 47, then I have 57. If I add 10 to 57, then I end up with 67. So I want you to look at these numbers. Since I'm adding 10, look what happens. 37, 37, 47, 57, 67. What do you notice about the pattern? That's right, the tens are changing, but the ones are staying the same. Because remember, when I'm adding 10, I'm adding 1 10 and 0 1, so my ones stay the same. Let's try it on 26 plus 50, okay? So I'm going to start my open number line. I'm going to start my open number line with the number 26, okay? And then let's think about 50. What is 50? 50 is 5 tens. So I'm going to hop 5 times. So I add 10. I'm going to put 10 right here. And how much would that be? 26, 36. Very good. 36. I add another 10, and that would be 36, 46. Very good. I add another 10, and that would be 36, 46, 56. Very good. Am I done? I've only hopped 1, 2, 3 10, so not yet. I'm going to hop another 10, and what would that be? 56, 66. Very good. So far I've hopped 10, 20, 30, 40. I need to hop one more time to be 50. So 66 plus 10 would be 76. So if we were counting up by tens, we could say 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76. Good job. All right, let's try that again because I know that's kind of tricky. All right, so 11 plus 8. So which number do you think we need to start at? I'm going to start at 11 because it's the higher number. So I'm going to put 11 and I'm going to add 8 to it. So I'm going to hop 8 times. I'm going to go ahead and write out my 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 11, if I'm making my hops, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I think it's going to be the number 19. Let's go ahead and try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 19. All right, 40 plus 16. What number do you think I need to start with? 40 is the bigger number, but it's one of our 10s, so we can hop by 10s to make it easier. So I'm actually going to start with the number 16, okay? And let me think about the number 40. 40 is just 4 10s, so I can hop by 10s. So if I hop by 10 from 16, what would that be? What's 10 more than 16? I had 1 10 and 6 ones. Now I'm going to have 2 10s and 6 ones, and it's the number 26. Very good. Hop again, 10, 26, 36. Very good. Hop again, 10, and it would be 26, 36, 46. Am I done? So far I've hopped 10, 20, 30. I need to hop one more time for 40, 46, 56. So 40 plus 16 is 56. All right, and then down here I have 48 plus 20. What number do you think I'm going to start my number line on? I'm definitely going to start it on 48 because it's the bigger number and My other number is by 10, so it'll be easy to count. So 48 plus 20, and what do I know about 20? 20 is just 2 tens. So if I hop 10, I have 48, 58, very good. I hop 10 more, and I've got 58, 68, good job. Because look, 10, 20, so 68, good job. And I'm going to write the number 10 above this first one just so I remember I was jumping by tens. 22 plus 7, how do you think I would put that on an open number line? What number would I start with? I'm going to start with 22 because it's the bigger number. So 22, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 is what I think, and then one more, 29. So let's check that. Ready? If I hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I land on the number 29. 29. Very good. All right. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to skip this one down at the bottom. Okay. And we're going to try this one up here just so we can be thinking about the words that it says. Remember, sometimes learning word problems are really important because we want to pick out the information that we need. It says, Danny writes 20 pages of his paper on Monday. He writes 32 pages on Tuesday. How many pages did Danny write in all? Oh, I have one of those clue words in there. It says in all, and I know when I say in all, it means I'm going to add. Use the number line to solve. So 20 and 32, what number do you think I need to start at? I'm going to start at 32 because it is the larger number and it's not even like the tens, okay? So, and I'm adding 20. What do I know about the number 20? It's a 10, so I can jump by 10. So if I jump by 10 from 32, how much would that be? 42, very good. And then 20 is 2 tens, so I need to jump one more time, and then that would be 52. And so I can check that and say, okay, I started at 32, I jump 10, 10, I jump another 10, 20, and I land at 52. So 52 pages in all. All right, let's try the next one. Are you ready? Last year, Leah watched 41 movies. This year, she watched 30 movies. How many movies did Leah watch in all? There's those words again. In all, it tells us we're going to put it together. We're going to add. So 41 and 30, what number do you think I'm going to start at on the number line? I'm going to start using 41 because it's not even and it's the larger number. And then what do I know about 30? 30 is one of our tens and it's just 3 tens. So I can hop by tens. I can hop and add 10. And what's 10 more than 41? 51, because I had 4 tens and 1, 1. Now I have 5 tens and 1, 1. Hop another 10. 61, very good. Hop another 10. 71. All right, so I hopped 3 times because of 3 tens. Let's check that. 10, 20, 30, and I landed at 71. She's watched 71 movies in all. Very good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what your homework is going to be for today. All right, so at the bottom, you just have these 2 problems that you're going to practice on that open number line. All right, and then on the back, you are just going to do number 3 and number 4 on the open number line. You are not going to do the bottom 2 problems, okay? So you have 2 problems on one page, 2 problems on the next, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Very good. All right, you guys did an awesome job. I'm so excited to see how much you learned.